Hey there. Welcome back to Simple IT, where we simplify IT concepts for you. So, have you ever wondered what a motherboard it is and what it does inside your computer? Well, in this video, we're going to dive into the details and explain everything you need to know. I promise to keep things simple and provide some fun examples along the way. So let's get started. To start with, let's define what a motherboard is. Simply put, it's the main circuit board that connects all the different components of your computer together. It's like the nervous system of your computer, allowing all the parts to communicate and work together. Now let's talk about some of the key components that are connected to the motherboard. One of the most important components is the CPU, or central processing unit, that we talked about last time. This is like the brain of your computer, and it needs to be connected to the motherboard to communicate with the other parts. Another important component that is connected to the motherboard is the RAM, or random access memory. This is like your computer's short-term memory, and it needs to be connected to the motherboard to store and retrieve data quickly. Whenever you open a new program or file, your computer will temporarily store it in the RAM so that it can be accessed quickly. The more RAM your computer has, the more it can store and access at once, which can help with multitasking and overall performance. There are also several other components that are connected to the motherboard, including the hard drive, graphics card, and power supply. Each of these components needs to be connected to the motherboard to function properly, and the motherboard provides the necessary connections and power to make it all work. Now let's talk about some fun examples of what a motherboard is like. You can think of it like a city's subway system, with all the different lines connecting different neighborhoods and allowing people to travel around. Each line represents a different component of your computer, and the motherboard is like the central station that connects them all together. Another way to think about it is like a sports team. The motherboard is like the coach that brings all the players together and helps them work as a team. Each player represents a different component of your computer, and the coach helps them communicate and work together to achieve their goals. So, there you have it. A detailed explanation of what a motherboard is and how it works inside your computer. Whether you're a tech expert or a complete beginner, I hope this video helped you understand this important component a bit better. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this in the future.